A Dallas rapper pleaded guilty today to federal weapons charges after U.S. Marshals served a warrant at his home this week. While they were serving that warrant, they found a tiger cub in the home. As a result, prosecutors had to make a special condition for his pre-trial release. Stephen Dial live with more. Stephen.
Clarice, this story has definitely been a talker online. The conditions of Devarius Moore's release are pretty standard, but the court went out of its way to make sure that he knows he is not to have any dangerous animals in his home. Dallas rapper Devarius Moore, also known as Trapboy Freddy, is out of jail a day after U.S. Marshals came to his home in the Redbird neighborhood of Dallas to serve a warrant. According to a federal indictment, he was wanted for possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. During his arraignment Friday, Moore pleaded not guilty. A trial date was set for October 24th, and he was granted supervised release until the trial. There are conditions. He must wear a leg monitor. He must get permission to travel outside of North Texas. He cannot excessively drink or possess any narcotics. And at the bottom of the list, a handwritten condition. He cannot have any wild or dangerous animal in his residence.
I wouldn't want a tiger in this neighborhood. I don't even like the fact that I heard about one being here.
Wednesday, when agents executed their warrant, a tiger cub was found caged inside his home.
I'm glad he got handled by the authorities, because he shouldn't have had a tiger over here, period.
On his Instagram page, where he goes by Trapboy Freddy, there was a photo with him and a tiger cub on a leash. It's unclear if it's the same tiger. Dallas Animal Services took the tiger from the home and placed it in protective custody. Now, Moore has a lengthy criminal history involving cases that involved organized criminal activity, drug possession, unlawful possession of a firearm, and multiple probation violations.